everyone, so today I'm doing a video which is slightly different to what you're maybe used to. I am still doing a makeup tutorial, but it is a green makeup tutorial in dedication to Macmillan cancer support, purely because it is May and where I work we are doing Macmillan May. So I thought I'll combine my YouTube and my work life, put them together, and I'll do a video dedicated to Macmillan May. Macmillan is a very special charity to most people that I work with. So that is obviously why we do Macmillan. We've always really done Macmillan, spread the word about Macmillan May because it is a really good cause. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I am getting so much more spots recently. I've got like a couple there, one there and one there, and it is really frustrating me. I'm going to dip into my BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to dip into the green shades which are here. So I'm going to dip into, there's no colours, names of these palettes, so I'm just going to dip into this one here. I'm just going to put that on my inner corner. Quite yellowy, isn't it? And then I'm going to dip into this colour here. And just do the same, slightly more out, if that makes any sense. And then I'm going to get this one here, slightly more green, not yellow. I'm going to put that in my outer corner while blending it in to kind of make the inner colours more green. Then I'm going to take this bluey kind of greeny colour and put it right on the outside. I'm actually going to dip into my Laura Geller highlighter. This stuff is actually amazing, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid again. I'm not going to go do that on the other eye, and I'll be right back. I've done the other eye and I put some really small eyelashes on. Obviously it's not quite it's not quite what you're used to seeing on this channel, but obviously you're wearing greens, you don't really want too big colour. Now I'm just going to get my primer, but it's actually nearly run out, so that is grand. No wonder it's run out. This bit isn't actually a full primer, it's only a little bit there. I'm going to have to show you that because that's so bad. Now I'm just going to get my foundation, which is actually new. It's the Maybelline New York. I swear there's a different name to this. It's Maybelline New York Superstay 24-hour full coverage. It is so good. I recommend it so much. It is actually amazing. Just dab that on my face. I'm fake tan at the minute, and I'm too poor to buy myself my fake tan colour. So that's grand, look at my neck. Just ignore that. Then gonna get my powder, put that all over my face. I'm gonna get my bronzer slash contour slash whatever. Just gonna get my Jeffree Star cosmetic highlighter. Here as well. There. bit on my forehead. Okay, gonna get my mascara, put it on my bottom eyelashes. I think for lips I'm just gonna get my lip balm, which is slightly red tinted. Just put that on. So that is everything for today. Obviously it's different to what you're used to from me, and it's different from what I'm used to filming, especially greens, because I don't do greens a lot, and green's quite a hard colour to use. But I've done green in dedication to Macmillan cancer support, hence I'm wearing this shirt. I will see you next Saturday for a new video. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.